In this video, I'm going to show you how to change margins in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to the file top left, click on New over here, select the page size, and then on the right hand side, you want to enable these margins over here, and then you can go ahead and select how you want these margins to look like. So by default for me, it's in millimeters. If I go ahead and put this on, let's say 10 millimeters and press enter, it's going to put them all on 10 millimeters. And of course, it's going to be locked. So everything is basically linked here. But of course you can unlink it, and then you can just manually set for each and every single margin, left, right, top, and bottom. Okay, I'm gonna link it for now and click on create document, and this is now my margin. However, if you want to change them while you already have your document in place here, you could go to document up top, hover over where it says setup, and then click on document setup. In here, you'll be able to see the margins again. If you don't see them, just enable them like this. And then again, you can go ahead and select the color of your margin. So if I want to do like red over here, that's going to work perfectly. And I can just change them to like maybe 25, leave them linked, press OK, and that's going to do exactly that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.